What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a tool, you guys. We have a hammer. I know people like, man, that's old school. Hammer is old school. We use a nail gun. Well, you guys, some people still use hammers, all right? So with that being said, this is a framing hammer, still framing hammer. Y'all been making fun of me using this, right? Y'all made fun of me. Y'all was like, oh, you got a pink hammer. I have more than just a pink hammer, you guys. I have an orange hammer. I have a super big hammer. Only the Incredible Hulk can use. You see this hammer? We have all types of hammers. You see this? All types, all different types, you guys. Now, we even have mauls that's still being held on by duct tape, okay? Being held on by duct tape. We have all types of hammers, you guys. Look, even this hammer is ripping apart. Look at the handle. The rubber on this is just ripping apart. So, with that being said, oh, you little girl, you got a little pink hammer. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this review, you guys. I'm just having fun. This is very, very, very nice, you guys. Look at, even have these little ridges right here. It has some weight to it too. It says 22 ounce. All right, you guys, so we have this slit up here, and the purpose of the slit is to be a nail starter. So you can start your nail in your wood or whatever application you start your nail in. I don't know what people doing. So you can actually put this here, and you see it fits right inside. So that is pretty cool. So what you do is you go ahead, you put it in there. Now I don't want to hurt my I left a piece of wood upstairs, but y'all get the point. So you go ahead and then you can smash it, and then after you smash it, you will take it off, and then all right. Now this nail is approximately 4 inches, so this is a 4-inch nail. Right here I have a smaller nail, which is an inch and a half. I have an inch and a half nail right here. Now the cool thing about this is, I know y'all like, you know, if you have the nail in there, what's going to happen when you try to, you know, swing it? Will it move off? And it is magnetic, you guys. But it served no purpose for the inch and a half, because as you can see, the inch and a half don't even come all the way out. So unfortunately, there's nothing you can do about that. So we're going to take the inch and a half off. So you're good with maybe a 2-inch nail will do. But again, this is magnetic, you guys. So once, for the people that say, oh, what's going to happen when it flips out? You see, the nail is not moving. So if you want to go ahead and start a nail on the wall, you can go ahead. And once again, I don't want to mess up my wall, you guys, but you got boom, and then move the nail, and then boom, boom. Oh, I hit it. I hit the wall. Oh no. Oh, my wall. Okay. I should have known I was going to hit the wall, but all right, you guys. And lastly, this is a heavy duty hammer, you guys. Like, this is for the big boys. All right. They do have a 20 ounce, 16 ounce, as far as the different sizes. They have different prices. This one is a little bit more, and of course the smaller one is a little bit less. This is approximately, you have a good 15 inches on this hammer. So this is good if you need more leverage. You can have more leverage when you swinging and hitting your nail in. And also you can use this to pull up wood if you need to pull up wood. If you're doing a project with pallets, if you're doing pallets, you can just slide it right underneath of the wood and pop up the wood. Or you can just use it to take nails off, like how we've been doing back in the days, right? That's about it, you guys. Pretty cool hammer. I will be replacing a lot of my old hammers, you guys. They just old, and as you can tell, They're wooden, they're being held on by duct tape and stuff like that. So I'm welcoming this one to the family, and we will be upgrading our toolboxes. So stay tuned, more tools are on the way. All right, you guys, so we are going to test out the new hammer. Now, I am not going to do no demolition, you guys, all right? I know that's what a lot of people like to do when it comes to like remodeling, redecorating and all that stuff, and smashing up things, your old dressers, and replace it with the new dressers. You want to break stuff, I understand. But this is my old DVD player, you guys. There was a old co-worker of mine. I used to work at a window shop many moons ago, probably like 2005. He made this for me. Now, we worked at a window shop, and he actually assembled the windows at that shop. So he was a very good craftsman, and he just made this and just gave it to me. So that was awesome. So he made a DVD stand. He said, hey, take it. He was always making stuff. Like, he was just making stuff all the time. Anyways, we are going to go ahead and see if I can take this apart. I think he glued this. Well, that's done. I'm pretty sure y'all want to see it used on some bigger construction. So if I get a chance, then I will try to look for some wood, nails, and then show y'all some good action with it. But other than that, this is a very good hammer, very nice, comfortable grip. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.